Good day everyone, and this is my last report, the marketing planning, marketing implementation, and marketing control. So what is a marketing plan? A marketing plan is an operational document that outlines an advertising strategy that an organization will implement to generate leads and reach its target market. A marketing plan details the outreach and PR campaigns to be undertaken over a period, including how the company will measure the effect of these initiatives. So, yung marketing plan is isa rin siyang document na naglalaman ng mga step at layunin sa pag-promote ng mga product and services. So, ito yung naglalaman din ng mga detalyadong plano tulad ng target market, mga strategy sa pagmamarket, at mga hakbang sa pagpapalaganap ng mga mensahe about sa product and services. So, isa 'tong gabay sa mga businesses upang maabot yung mga layunin nila sa pagbebenta at pagpapalakas ng kanilang presence sa market. So, there are three types of marketing plans. So, first is the new product launch. This is a marketing plan that outlines how a new product will enter the market. So, who it will target and in what way advertising will be done. Second is social media. A social media marketing plan focuses on the advertising strategies on different social media platforms and how to engage with the user on these platforms. Lastly is the time-based. Time-based marketing plans such as those that are executed quarterly or annually focuses focus on the time of the year, the current condition of the business, and the best strategies in the period. Next is what is marketing implementation? Marketing implementation is the process of turning your market strategy into real life actions, tasks, and projects, responsible for them, and deadlines. In other words, it's about bringing your marketing plan to life instead of living on paper. Start living on a day-to-day calendar because it's, trans- it's translated into action. So, yung marketing implementation, ito daw yung pagpapatupad ng mga plans at hakbang sa mga business. So, para maabot yung mga layunin ng isang company, naglalaman daw siya ng mga works tulad ng pagpaplano ng like campaign, pagbuo ng mga materials na pang promotion and pagpapalaganap sa social media and pagpapatupad ng mga ads sa iba't ibang platform. So, ang pangunahing layunin nito ay magpalaganap ng product or serbisyo sa target na market at paramihin yung benta. So next is to develop and execute a marketing implementation plan in 6 easy steps. So step 1 is to set accurate expectation for how quickly things can get done. Second step is to determine which resources will be needed to execute the plan. Third step is to document a marketing strategy. Next is to build a workflow for executing each piece of content. Next is to have a plan for how you manage projects. And lastly is to measure your results. Next is the marketing control. Marketing control refers to the process of monitoring and evaluating marketing activities to ensure they align with the overall marketing objective and strategies of a business. The effectiveness and efficiency of marketing efforts are measured using marketing control. It helps in identifying any deviation from the planned marketing activities and take corrective action when necessary. So, yung marketing control ay ang proseso ng pagsubaybay at nagsusuri sa mga hakbang sa trading upang matiyak na ang mga layunin na marketing ay natutupad. Ito rin yung naglalaman ng mga pagtingin sa mga resulta ng mga campaign, pag-evaluate sa epekto ng mga hakbang na ginawa, at pagtukoy ng mga posibleng pagbabago o pagpapabuti. So, sa pamamagitan ng marketing control, maaaring ma-adjust yung mga strategy batay sa aktual na performance, upang masiguro din natin yung success ng business in the future. And this is the marketing control and its core objectives. So first is the ensuring effectiveness and efficiency. Second is to maintaining consistency in broad messaging. And lastly is to aligning marketing activities with customers' needs. And types of marketing control. First is the financial control. Second, strategy control. Third is operational control. And lastly is the audit control. First is the financial control. One type is financial control, which involves monitoring and controlling the financial aspect of marketing campaigns. This includes budgeting, cost analysis, and return on investments or ROI calculations. By implementing financial controls, companies can ensure that their marketing efforts are cost effective and aligned with their overall financial goals. Next is the strategy control. Strategy controls involve analyzing market trends, competitive intelligence, and feedback from customers to make informed decisions about marketing strategies. It helps companies stay focused on their long-term goals and adapt their marketing efforts accordingly. Next is the operational control. Operational control is another type of marketing control that focuses on day-to-day activities and processes. It involves setting performance metrics, monitoring key performance indicators or KPIs, and implementing corrective action when necessary. Operational controls ensure that marketing activities are executed efficiently and effectively to achieve desired outcomes. Lastly is the audit control. Marketing audit control helps company identify strengths and weaknesses in their marketing activities and make data-driven decisions to optimize their performance. Overall, this type of marketing control provide organization with tools and insight they need to effectively manage their making activities and drive success.